Hi there, back with some more quarantine content. Now in this video, we're addressing the topic of cooking. Now I know there are many of you who hate the idea of cooking and prefer eating out or have food delivered to them. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic that's going on around the world, those options are anything but safe. And there's another group of people who love to cook but are having difficulty finding the right ingredients for them to cook, because the aisles in the supermarket or the local grocery store are almost empty because people are panic buying. And so you end up having to buy random ingredients and have no idea what to cook from them. So in this video, we'll be covering two bases. Number one, how you can find replacement ingredients so that you can cook your favorite dishes without a problem. And number two, how you can get some interesting recipe ideas from whatever ingredients that are left in your fridge. So without further ado, let's check them out. Well, first up, let's go over the missing ingredients list, titled The Cook's Thesaurus. This old school looking site still has all the info you need for finding a good substitute. The site has detailed notes about how to sub each ingredient and the technique you should use to get a good result. Over here you have the find option where you can type in any ingredients, let's say potatoes, and hit find. So you'll see many options over here. Let's click on this. And so over here you can see the substitute for potatoes are sweet potato, parsnip, cassava, and so on and so forth. You can see the best for baking and best for mashing, soups, pan frying, french fries. You can see all these options which are substitutes for potatoes. Also, we're back to the home page. Over here you get categories of vegetables, foods, dairy, flavorings. It's a long list. Let's say click on vegetables. Let's say we need cabbage. So these are the cabbage substitutes. You can, instead of cabbage, you can have these: boy chock, Brussels sprouts, flowering kale, green cabbage, kohlrabi, Napa cabbage, red cabbage, and other products. Now let's see another website, heart.org. Even if you're not missing an ingredient, the American Heart Association's guide is a valuable resource. It will help you swap ingredients for healthier ones that will work just as well. No time like a pandemic to level up your health. You'll find categories for recipes, for snacks, high-fat items at restaurants, fast food restaurants, and you'll see there's so many good options. So next up we have allrecipes.com. Allrecipes.com is a perfect place to find recipe inspiration, and its extensive substitution chart is really helpful if you're missing pantry essentials like butter, oil, cream, or baking soda. So these three websites cover a huge ground, and I'm sure you'll find whatever you're looking for among these three websites and cook the perfect meal. Let's check out myrecipes.com first. The ingredients page of this site has a build a recipe feature. Start by typing in 3 ingredients you already have and you will get a list of recipes that fit the bill. You'll also be able to see recipes that would work if you have a few more items. Let's say we have milk, bread, and let's say we have eggs. And we hit on find recipe. So this page is opened up and we have searched for milk, bread, and eggs, and this page shows us all the recipes that we can make through these 3 ingredients. You can also have the option to add more ingredients over here. Let's say add butter, and the list gets updated if you add one more ingredient, and so on and so forth. You can add more ingredients just like that and have your custom recipe built for you. And next, let us see myfridgefood.com. This is my favorite website for building recipes out of whatever there's left in the fridge. Let's say we have some apple, baking powder, cinnamon, eggs, milk, and yeah, let's see, and find recipes, and it will quickly show you all the recipes that you can make from the ingredients you selected. You can always customize the ingredient and get a more comprehensive list. And the recipes are very easily categorized like breakfast, cooking time, calories, fat, carbs, protein. So once you click on the link, let's say omelette egg roll, and it'll show you a brief description and the direction for you to follow to make the recipe. Now time to share some mobile apps with you. First up we have SuperCook. The SuperCook app for iOS and Android is built around finding recipes for what you have on hand. However, it will probably show some results that need just 1 or 2 more ingredients. The app also suggests item by saying, "Do you also have?" with a selection of common ingredients to bring you more options. And next we have Yumly. Whirlpool acquired Yumly in 2017 and incorporated the recipe platform into its smart kitchen appliances. The app kept much of its original appeal and is an excellent place to find recipe ideas. You can filter by ingredients and dietary restrictions too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll sure it'll help you in your cooking endeavors. I'll leave the links in the description below so you have no difficulty finding them. And until next time, happy cooking!